Fibonacci Lesson 3. Learn Forex Fibonacci fans and arcs. Fibonacci ratios are used in different ways by making use of Fibonacci fans and arcs, tools to find potential support and resistance levels. Just like other Fibonacci tools, fans are drawn from the swing low to the swing high. The tracing trend lines of 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8% can be seen in the chart. The trend lines can then be used to find the support and resistance areas. As you can see on the chart, the prices bounce several times from the fan lines. As the price breaks the 61.8% line, it is signaling a trend consolidation. It doesn't necessarily mean that the trend is reversing. It could also be that the trend is paused and maybe stuck in a range, and therefore we should use range trading strategies. Fibonacci arcs work exactly the same way. They are drawn from the swing high to the swing low and show the potential support and resistance areas. Here you can see the prices trading down along the 38.2% arc line until it breaks the previous lows and then continues to take the lower leg next.